Namaste guys, welcome to my channel. This time we'll visit Colombo Shopping Centre. Wow, what a view. Actually, we reached Lisbon yesterday and some of our friends told us there is one mall near to your house you can go and visit, and the name of this mall is Colombo Shopping Centre. We came here first time here in Lisbon to visit this place and hope so we both will enjoy it together because this mall is extremely famous all over the world. Now we are looking for the entrance. I think this is the entrance where we can go inside. Woohoo. Okay, it looks like dark mall. Yes, I'm looking for some Indian branch. Actually ये ना हुबई का बिल्डिंग लग रहा है. This is. Found something good. Beautiful. Oh my god. अच्छा है लग रहा है. It's such a huge mall and we are just in the one corner, one tiny corner, a small corner. Wow, cosmetic. Now, बाज की नजर पड़ी मछली पे.
You were talking about this kind of half luggage?
Which one?
The smaller one?
Yep, not that type kind of. I'll tell you. Husband store. ये क्या है? Husband store. Oh, half.
This is now historical forest.
Yeah, this is the Amazon का जंगल and this is the Flipkart का जंगल.
And this is Avatar 3.
And this is Avatar 3. Wow, I really love this mall. It's big.
It's huge.
Large. Triple XL.
Triple.
Huge Xiaomi fan. But now I don't want because I have already 3 mobile. One I already lost. I have 2 mobile, which is Xiaomi. Oh, this is the outside. We can go by this way. चलो अवतार 3 के एरिया में आ चुके हैं. आई डोंट नो हम ऊपर क्यों आए हैं. नीचे तो घूम नहीं पाए अच्छे से. But it will be fun. Oh, CNA is here. Wow, that's great. Now I need 2-3 lower and t-shirt. Okay, bye guys. This is for my audience. This view. We are going to food court to eat burger and only burger. अच्छा. जब आप पहली बार कहीं जाते हैं तो आप बस सिर्फ घूमते हैं, एक्सप्लोर the things. McD, KFC.
Oh, it's a glass.
Oh my god. Yes. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है.
That's a cool, yeah. Really cool mall.
I think this is the second big mall in Lisbon.
Yes, right.
Wow. I will show you the best view here. And the most interesting part is this name, Rotadas Indias. I think here is his restaurant or something.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Here you can see faster than the car factory.
I'll give 10 out of 10 to this mall because it's beautiful. So finally we are going back from this mall and we went to the McD But the point is, the two burger cost was 16 euro. So we decided don't eat the junk food for 16 euro. Now we are going to the Pingo Doce or some other continent where we can buy some healthy food and we'll eat. We took the good decision. Burger is not good for health. Bye. This is my first visit in Lisbon and we came here 4 times. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the more. Bye bye.